Maggie, currently a postdoctoral fellow working in Professor Edwin Chan's lab. I'm also the Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of a biotechnology startup, Rare Power Limited.
I'm Winnie, a Year 3 PhD student in biochemistry, also from Professor Edwin Chan's lab. Maggie and I joined Summer by Design, organized jointly by the Center for Commercialization of Regenerative Medicine and University of Toronto for 2 weeks this June.
I was excited to be selected to participate in this program, as I wanted to learn about the strategies for technology transfer and the whole journey for commercialization of therapeutic products. As the program was held in Toronto, it would also give me a glimpse into the ecosystem of biotech development in Canada.
Yes, it was a great opportunity for me to learn about the roadmap of how to translate our research findings to industry and becoming a product that can potentially help patients suffering from diseases.
Prior to joining the program, I hoped to learn more about IP protection and strategy, as well as storytelling, presentation, and teaching skills, all of which I could apply directly to my work at Rare Power.
Yes, the program did arrange many industry experts to share about the various topics related to commercialization of research findings, as well as marketing and pitching. I was very fortunate to have been one of the top scorers in the scientific storytelling competition.
Oh wow, what's the secret behind your success?
I think there are 2 crucial points. First of all, know your audience and understand what they care most. This way, you can tailor your presentation using the sort of language they are attuned to and frame your words in the context of what they care about. Secondly, embed your message in a story related to your audience's lives so that it's relatable, easier to understand, and more memorable to them.
Oh, that's great advice. The scientific storytelling competition was a great way to practice and polish our pitching skills. Since the program's participants came from around the world, you could also observe many different styles of storytelling and learn from our peers.
It was a great experience learning and interacting with such a diverse group of scientists. I remember vividly one fellow participant, a PhD student from University of Cincinnati in the US, Ms. Jana Pun, who really impressed me that her lab is very strong at building a brain disease-related 3D bioprint ex vivo model using stem cells to test drug resistancy. I could see a potential collaboration with her lab to test drug resistancy or drug toxicity in the central nervous system.
From the program, I could think of 2 major potential areas for possible future collaboration, such as designing a nanoparticle for drug encapsulation, as well as developing simple and viable systems for brain-targeting drug delivery.
Although the program was only 2 weeks long, I found it very inspiring to gain a holistic understanding of the different aspects of translating research findings to industry so that we could help society and make a difference in patients' lives.
One of the highlights for me was the visit of a GMP-grade biomanufacturing facility in Toronto. Since at Rare Power, we have also been in contact with similar facilities in mainland China, but I have yet had a chance to visit them in person. So it was a great opportunity for me to see for myself what the GMP standards mean in real life, so that the product quality is assured and consistency is maintained from batch to batch of products.
I'm very grateful to have had the chance to join Summer by Design. For those who are interested in participating in the program in the future, I highly recommend them to take the initiative to talk with fellow participants and speakers, because they may share with you about both their successes and failures, open your eyes to a new field, and maybe even inspire you.
Yes, I would highly recommend others to join in the program. While networking is one of the key things to do, I also recommend participants maybe to imagine a product that you're interested in developing and bringing to the market. Then you use the program to guide you in the exploration of how to actualize the journey from conceptualization to market.
Science empowers your dreams. Learn science to better the world.